Yo, what's up YouTube, this is Technical Side in here in another video. So today I'm going to show you how to get someone's ID, anyone's ID on Discord with just some few clicks. As you may see, I can't get this ID of this user or any user right now. So first we'll go to user settings, scroll down, hit advanced, enable developer mode. Alright, close this. As you may see, if you click on copy user ID, as you may see, I can pass this to show you. Here's the ID, as you may see. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. If you have something to say, just drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video guys. Bye.